clean quad-retopologized mesh was generated and optimized right inside Blender in just a few minutes. Let's look at how you can do this yourself using the Quadify Ultra add-on and its new Quadify Bridge module. First, we open the Quadify Bridge module, which integrates directly with the Meshy API. Simply type in your prompt. Click Generate, and the add-on handles the request queue in the background. In a few moments, your new asset is created and automatically downloaded, and the generated mesh is imported straight into your Blender scene. At first glance, the model looks highly detailed, but under the hood, we have a very heavy mesh with over 450,000 triangles. This topology is not ready for animation or sculpting. To optimize it, switch to the Quadify Ultra panel. Click Reduce Polycount first to scale the density down to a manageable target of around 22,000 triangles. The Decimation utility quickly shrinks the polycount while preserving the shape and details. Next, we will convert the triangles to clean quads. Scroll down to the full remesh panel, select the Quadwild option, and configure your settings. Run the operator, and the add-on begins the quad conversion. The add-on automatically reconstructs the geometry, aligning the new edge flow to the contours of your mesh. There is our final result, a clean, optimized, quad-dominant model that is fully production-ready. Generating, optimizing, and retopologizing assets has never been this seamless inside Blender. You can get Quadify Ultra at the link in the description. Thanks for watching.